Hey everyone! Welcome back to At Reality Accept. We're thrilled to have you here with us today. Today we're sharing 5 amazing tech hacks you need to try right now. These hacks are not only simple but also incredibly effective, and they can make your tech life so much easier. And we're doing it all in under 3 minutes. So whether you're a tech newbie or a seasoned pro, there's something here for everyone. Ready? Let's dive in. Struggling with weak Wi-Fi? Try this simple hack. It's a game changer for anyone dealing with spotty internet connections. Cut a soda can, place it around your router's antenna, and watch your signal strength improve instantly. Quick and easy. This hack is perfect for boosting your Wi-Fi without spending a dime. Want to watch movies on the big screen? Imagine turning your living room into a mini theater without buying an expensive projector. Turn your phone into a projector using a shoebox and a magnifying glass. It's a fun and creative way to enjoy your favorite films. Just place your phone inside, project onto a wall, and enjoy your personal cinema. Tired of tangled cables? We've all been there, and it's frustrating. Use binder clips to keep them organized. This simple trick can save you a lot of time and hassle. Clip them to the edge of your desk and thread your cables through. No more mess. It's a neat and tidy solution for a clutter-free workspace. Need to charge your phone quickly? We've got a hack for that too. Switch it to airplane mode. This reduces background activity, allowing your phone to charge up to twice as fast. It's perfect for those times when you're in a hurry and need a quick power boost. It reduces background activity, allowing your phone to charge up to twice as fast. Need a phone stand? Sometimes you just need a hands-free solution for watching videos or making video calls. Make one from a paperclip. It's a quick and easy DIY project that anyone can do. Bend it into a stand shape, and voila! You've got a handy portable phone stand for watching videos hands-free. It's perfect for when you're on the go or just lounging at home. You've got a handy portable phone stand for watching videos hands-free. These hacks are not only practical, but also fun to try out. They can make your daily tech interactions smoother and more enjoyable. There you have it, 5 tech hacks you need to try right now. Each one is designed to solve common tech problems in a simple and effective way. Which hack was your favorite? We'd love to hear from you. Let us know in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create even better content for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome content from At Reality Accept Entertainment. We've got plenty more tips, tricks, and hacks coming your way. See you next time. Thanks for watching, and happy hacking.